Good morning. The Bank of Canada has left rates unchanged for the second consecutive meeting. That leaves prime rate at 4.95%. And while there's more cuts being expected by the Bank of Canada this year, better than expected GDP, rising core inflation, likely the biggest reasons the Bank of Canada hit pause this morning. Tariff uncertainty remains high. Canada's economy, the global economy, has actually held up quite well over the last few months, but that's largely due to a temporary surge in activity as businesses are trying to get ahead of the tariffs. So stockpiling inventories, rushing in orders, that sort of thing. Now, that said, consumption, business investment in Canada, consumer confidence in Canada is down quite a bit. Housing activity is at some of the lowest levels since the depths of the pandemic, and this is expected to be the most robust quarter for growth for the year. So 2025 could be a not so pretty looking year. On the inflation front, CPI has dropped to 1.7%, largely due to the removal of the carbon tax. That's dropped inflation by 0.6%, which is actually quite a big move. The bank's preferred measure of core inflation, however, is above target. It's above 3%. Core excludes some more volatile components of CPI, so it kind of gives a better idea of the longer term underlying trends in the economy. And that's likely something that the Bank of Canada is worried about. Consumers are expecting higher prices from the tariffs. And when consumers are expecting higher prices, businesses are more able to sneak those price hikes in. And ultimately, managing inflation and prices is the Bank of Canada's mandate. So it's definitely something that I'm sure is keeping them up at night, and they're watching closely. But overall, more Bank of Canada cuts are expected this year. So that's going to impact your variable rate mortgages, your lines of credit. Fixed rates likely at, if not near the bottom for the year. So if you have a mortgage renewal that's coming up in the next year, please and we haven't talked, please get in touch today. And most importantly of all, go Oilers.